Hello everyone, welcome to CSC Land. I am Nishant here. Let's solve another lead code problem. Threesome. This question is tricky, little bit tricky, but so popular. So many companies has asked this question many times. Okay, so basically it's saying that we have to find the three number that that adding up that number will make zero. Okay, like for example, first value is given -1 0 and 1. If we will add it up, we will get a 0. Okay, but we have to find the multiple set, not only one set. Okay, so second is -1 and 2. Okay, so we will get 0 value, but condition is one triplet should not repeat. Okay, it's not like that here is -1 and 2 and here is again 2 -1 and -1. No, it, it should not duplicate value. So one option is we can approach the brute force. With the brute force approach we can solve it. We can check one number by one loop, then second number, then third number, like that. So that time complexity will be nq. We need optimal one. So how to do that? So we can do a plus b plus c is equal to 0, right? But what if a plus b is equal to minus c? Correct. So this only we are going to follow. So our target will be like to find the this value. Okay, so what we will do in that? Okay, let's solve this. First, make we need one array, not array, list. Okay, we need list. Result is equal to new array list. Okay, that only we are going to return, right? Result. All right, so here, for first of all we need to sort it out. How to sort? We need to sort nums. Okay, raises. Int I is equal to 0, I smaller than nums length -2. Why -2? Because we need to find the triplet. Okay, we need to find the triplet. So first value should be till here only, right? First value should be till here only. So length is 3, then first value should be on one position only. Correct. Okay, like if it is 0 index means 0, right? Okay, so it is like that. And what to do? This step might be you will confuse. If yes, then stay tuned, we will be seeing it. I'm going to explain this. Okay, no issue. 0 and nums I shouldn't equal to nums I minus 1. Why like this and all? Don't worry at all, I'm there. Target is equal to nums I. Correct? Not correct, it should be -1, as you are seeing. No, minus c. Okay, uh, int z is equal to I plus 1. Here it's properly written I shouldn't is equal to z, like three value positions should be different. Okay, yes. Int k is equal to nums dot length -2, sorry, -1. Okay, so let's see. And always j should be less than k. If okay, so target value we got target value. So a plus c, how we can get a plus c? Nums I, sorry, j plus nums k is equal to target. Correct? No doubt. So why don't we can write sum is equal to this value, we can write it, right? Okay, if it is like this, then result direct we can add here. This is the method as list, or else you can make here one temporary list, and then we can keep all three value in that list, and then you can add it. Okay, so long process, I'm not going to do that. I num try to learn try to use all this method. Okay, here I'm going to use one while, two while looping to avoid the duplicacy. How and why we will see, don't worry. Nums j if equal to nums j plus 1, then what we will do, we will just increase it. J smaller than k, and nums k is equal to nums k minus 1. If it is like this, then minus 1. Okay, and j plus plus k minus minus. All right, else if sum is greater than our target value, then k minus minus, or else j plus plus. I hope we are done. Just check this, I, j and k. Okay, okay, let me remove. Okay, so everything is fine. I'm going to explain. Okay, here what we are doing. Okay, what if value will be minus 1 0, okay, 1 2 4. So what we are doing, we are taking this one as a target. So this target will be 1, we have to search 1, okay, to make it 0. So how we will search it, we will search like, we are searching, no, we are keeping one value here, then one value here, right? Sorry, okay, I came, fine. Then 0 and plus 1, so this will make it like this. Okay, fine. But what if minus 1 minus 1 0 1 2 4 will be there? If for finding this minus 1, and we found it, right? If again we are going to find for minus 1, same value will come, no? Are you getting my point? Same value will come, right? So we are just here in the 8th line, we wrote, right, I is equal to 0, or I should be greater than 0. If it is like this, then num, okay, num I doesn't equal to, what happened, no, yeah, okay, num I doesn't equal to num I minus 1. Why? Because minus 1 is there, again minus 1 is there, 0 is there, 1 is there. So if here I is equal to 0, 1 2 1 2 3 like that, if I is on 0, then no problem, we can go. If I is on 1 and I value I value and I minus 1 means 0, if it is same, then we are not going to find it, we are not going to find the triplet for this value. Okay, correct. So this you got. Okay, nums I shouldn't equal to nums I minus 1. If I is on 0, then we are not going to find for minus 1. No, array is not there. Okay, if I is on 1, then we are going to check 1th index and 0th index. If value is same, then we are not going to find triplet for that, because we already found on 0. Okay, all right. So minus 1 0 1 0 and then 1 is there. Suppose this value is there, so this is our target, right? Okay, this is our target. All right, so here will be a j value, here will be the k value. What we have done, that we are adding it up. 0 plus 1, correct, it's 1, right? All right, so again if it will go to here, this 0 plus 1 same it will come, no? So that's what, for avoiding this, we wrote that while z is smaller than k and num z is equal to num j plus 1. If it is like this, then just increase j. We don't want duplicacy, so for removing duplicacy we want this. Okay, okay, one more loop was there. Okay, like suppose minus 1 0 0, okay, not 0, 1 1 is there. Okay, and this is our target, this is j and this is k. We found it, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, we found it. Okay, so after that k will come to here. If k will come to here, again we will get the same value, right? So it should not, we should not get the same value, so we are doing this. If nums k is equal to nums k minus 1, if it is like this, then k plus plus, so k will come to here. So for that reason we are using those while loop in middle. Okay, I hope you got. So that's the reason we are using this two loop. Okay, and the main point is there is four loop, 1 2 3 4. So don't consider it's o to the power n4. No, 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 not at all. It's just a big O n square only. This is short, it won't be considered, it's not n. Okay, okay, so let me just submit it. Let's check what. Yeah, all right, guys, we got. Thanks for watching, see you soon.